Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're checking at this. This is a fully automatic gel pistol, and it's super fun. So we're gonna be shooting at some of my favorite toys, wearing our goggles for safety and protection, and we're going to be kicking it off right about now. Now, a nice thing about it is it comes with plenty of gel balls that are perfectly fine for the environment. It's easy to fire, and you can change the modes and speed of firing. Now, this thing is super powerful. The speed on these balls is fantastic. And if you want to take it out and have a little fun, well, guess what? This is the gun for you. It does come with a target. Let me go ahead and show you that. And yeah, if you're looking for a fantastic device to go ahead and shoot at, well, UnlocX is incredible. All right. You get 700 round capacity in your magazine. You get just tons and tons of these balls that are water soluble, so they're not bad for the environment. And it's the V2 UnlocX fully automatic, 11 shots per second. And this thing is indeed a beast. So go ahead, take some target practice, have some fun with your friends, put on the safety goggles, and you're absolutely going to love this. This is a great gift idea if you're looking for a great device. You can make shooting competitions, taking out the iron cheek right there, and look at this. It's not leaving any debris or any damage. That's a nice thing. I've been shooting this dude all day. It's not causing any damage. All right, folks, this thing is absolutely fantastic. If you're looking for a great gel shooter, well, guess what? This is among the best of the best. You don't have to worry about the kids shooting out windows with it. The gel gun is completely safe. And that large capacity, see how much I've been firing it and see how much I still have left for the balls? Yeah, folks, this thing is incredible. Super fun. Get a couple of them for all the kids, and they're going to love it. Okay, now stick around. We're going to show you how cool this is, up close and personal, give you all the product details. All right, folks, in the up close portion of the video, I like to show you everything you get up close and personal. So you do get the product itself, as well as a high capacity, high magazine cartridge here. Then you do get the device itself. Super fun. I'm losing a few balls. Then, of course, you get the target, which allows you to shoot at the aliens accordingly. These are actually the balls before they get soaked in water, and you get 700 per packet. You get 4 different packets of that. And yeah, it's rechargeable, comes with everything you need to charge and have fun with it. So if you're looking for a great product that's great fun for the whole family, even grandma can use it, folks. This thing is going to blow your mind. Go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. Super fun, super fast, and really just a cool product. I recommend you pick up a couple of them. It's up to 700 rounds per magazine, 11 gels per second, a 1200 mAh 7.4 volt battery, easy USB charging port, full automatic firing, and certified high speed at 7.5 mm gel beads. All right, folks, go ahead and pick this up. This is for 14 and up. You're gonna love it. All right, thanks again for watching. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that we really love, and guess what? We love this one, and so will you. So go ahead and pick it up. Adios, amigos.